Hi everyone! So I just got a new pair of shoes in the mail. I got an early access on sneakers probably a couple days ago for the women's Air Jordan 3 in rust pink. I'm generally not a Jordan 3 girl. I'm usually a Jordan 1 or a Jordan 4. Like, these are my cute 4s I love. But since I hardly ever get early access, I figured why not? Why not take a look at how good these shoes are? So taking a quick look at the box, it turns out these were made in Vietnam. As my husband said in the early reviews, he always said the ones from Vietnam seem to be a little bit better quality, so let's see if that's actually true. Let's get ready. Ooh, these are super pink. They look to be in really good quality. I've seen some other ones with some like glue marks and everything, but these look really good. These are really well made. I like the suede feel. Brian said there was in other Jordan 3s, this back is usually in plastic. Oh. These are Brian's Jordan 3, I think, animal prints. And see these? It's in plastic, but these women's ones are in this cool suede pattern, suede material. Just a nice little touch. Oh, all in all, I think it's a really cute shoe. Kind of wasn't expecting it, so I got it in a bigger size than I normally get. But for anyone looking, this is a good pair to buy. I like the colorway. I like it better than I thought. It's a lot more muted than I thought in the photos. So yeah, I think they're well made. I like them a lot. Thanks.